Hey guys, I'm just back in the veggie area checking out my strawberries. Now, these were amazing in summer. We made these little raised garden beds and they're all wicking beds. And look, they died off like they normally do. Just after some information, who has a bit of experience with strawberries as to what the go-to is now. I think last year I just pulled all these dead leaves off and then just trimmed them back and replanted some of them. But I'm not sure whether the actual plants look really healthy still in here. It's just all the sort of auxiliary leaves that are making them look really untidy. In fact, there's still some strawberries hanging over here. So yeah, if you've got some experience with strawberries, in what I should do next, it'd be very much appreciated. Because yeah, they were very successful in summer, but need a bit of a rejuvenation in winter and get them ready for next summer. So look how healthy that one is. Now look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.